my makeup look. And yeah. So I did concealer underneath the eyes. I did mascara. I did what did I do? I did blush, and I did lipstick. I had 3 colors on my arm. I just picked out a bright one, and then bronzer. I did that. Highlighter. I did that, and then yeah. So guys, I'm having to talk really loud because there's just a background noise that's going and it will not stop. So that's why I'm talking really loud, and then if there's background noises, I'm very sorry about that. But yeah, next all I have to do is my hair, and we're good for the day. So.